Okay, I want to show you how to do a definite integral on your calculator. A couple of things about this. First of all, I find it's faster to do it by hand, but on some of the longer complex ones, a lot of arithmetic, it can be worth it. Make sure if you are using trig functions, you know if you're in degrees or if you are in radians, and typically you are going to be in radians. Also make sure that you realize this only works in definite integrals. So I'm going to go here to math, and I'm going to go down here to this 9, this Fn integral. Okay, so this is my integral. And you can see it's right next to the derivative one. And then I'm going to put in this, so 10, and I'm going to use x. It doesn't really matter what you use, just be consistent. So you're going to put in your function, so in this case 10x minus 3, comma, what variable you're using, so x. If you were using something else, and you can see here I have xt, theta, and I think maybe pi. Anyways, and then comma, then you want to put your limits. So I'm going to go from 6 to 7. And then I'm going to hit enter, and my answer is 62. And I got it right. You notice a couple of things about this. First of all, that you do have to put in this x. I always forget this x. The other thing is the first time I did this, I just naturally, put the first one, the top one in first. No, you put the bottom one in first. So when you put these in, the one on the bottom is going to be the first one you put in, the one on the top is going to be second. Otherwise, so if I'd put this in the other way, just to show you. So if I put this in the other way, and I did this, I'm going to get the negative version. I'm going to get the opposite. So you can see I get negative 62. So just something to watch that, I naturally wanted to put this 7. It was on top. It goes first. But you actually want to put the lower number, the bottom number, first. So this is pretty easy to use, but it only works for definite integrals, so it definitely has its limitations. But for some of those longer ones, it can be worth the time to put it in. And it's a good way to check your work.